I bet if I say to you what's the worst thing about carpet, you're yelling back at me it's the spots, the stains, the spills. Things like ketchup, cola, tea, coffee. They're hard to get out, but with my secrets, they're easy. First of all, on a fresh stain, you want to pour on club soda. The carbonation will bubble it up and the salts will keep it from staining. Pour it on and simply blot, blot, blot. But if you have a stain that you can't get out, here's my great carpet spotter. You're going to take 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide, 1 teaspoon of ammonia. Put it into a squirt top bottle. Squirt it onto the stain, let it sit about half an hour to an hour, then come in and blot, 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 and you can repeat it if necessary. And no, it won't take the color out of the rug. Now, the only thing I can recommend to make the work with the carpet easier is make sure your husband's doing the vacuuming. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.